It's a jelly. Look. Jelly. From Mummy's bowl of jelly. From the big glass bowl of jelly. Is it goopy? What does it feel like?
Papa.
Jelly.
Yeah.
You smush it and it bounces back. You can eat it, it's food.
Papa.
Jelly.
Papa.
Eat some jelly? Here, put Smith. Try. No? You dropped it.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Wait, okay. Look, do you want to try the red piece? Red jelly. Try and eat it.
Papa.
Jelly. Jelly massacre.
Mm.
Trying to eat some? Try some more of the green? You need to close your mouth when it goes in your mouth. Got your belly. Got your belly. Yeah, the jelly's gone. Never mind, we'll get it when you get out later. Yeah. What about the orange jelly? Do you like the orange jelly? Maybe tri-colored jelly. Don't know if you can see it. Can you tell? There's 3 layers of colour. Purple and green and orangey red.
Baba. 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 Baba.
Try some more jelly? You want a spoon? Eat jelly with the spoon? Here, let me put it in your mouth. Close your mouth and chew. So apparently with jelly it's really hard to eat. Is that on a spoon? Yeah, more? No? The jelly in my bowl is the same as the jelly you've got. So it's being massacred because I keep getting your pieces out. Oh. Spoon. Your mouth. Okay. So ta-ta. Ta-ta.